AZ Solutions brings to you applying filters. We're going to talk about the tips and tricks to applying filters. When you're applying a filter, the top row of your data is where the drop-down arrows for the filter will display. Now, you need to click in just one cell only in the block of data. In the tab for data, you will find your filter button, and the filters now appear along the top row. Filters are used to show only a subset of data. For example, if I want to look at all of the records for New South Wales, I now hit the drop-down arrow under State, untick Select All, and tick New South Wales. Hit OK, and now you're looking at only that subset of data. You'll notice here that they've turned blue in colour to show you that the other rows are hidden. The funnel icon tells me that a filter has occurred in that column. I can remove the filter by selecting Clear. If when you turn on the filters, the filter top row doesn't appear where you want it, for example, it could be because there is no gap between sets of data like this up here and your actual database. The filter will assume the very top row is where you wanted the filter to occur. You can insert a row, but if you don't want to insert a row to distinguish the difference between this area here and your actual database area, you can highlight the top row or your field headers and then turn on the filter. You can filter by as many headings that you like. For example, I could refine the search to New South Wales and then also refine the search to an amount greater than 15. It has met the criteria of New South Wales as well as the amounts being greater than 15. You'll notice there's a funnel here and also one here. If you want to remove just one of those, then you'll need to hit the drop-down arrow on that particular one and select Clear the Filter from here. There's a difference between clearing the filter from the drop-down here and clearing the filter from here. This one here will clear the filter that you have done in the amount column, RRP column, as well as in the state column. I'm going to clear only the recommended retail price. You will see now that there is no funnel in the recommended retail price area. I'll undo that. If I choose Clear from here, it will clear it from all of the columns that you have, in this case from the state as well as from the recommended retail price. The new thing about the filtering is that you can filter by colour. So if I go to apply some colour, in the drop-down arrow I can sort by colour, which allows me to see all of the information as well, just in the order of the items that were coloured, and the arrow points up. Whereas if it's a filter by colour, this is a new feature that you didn't have before. So I can choose filter by colour and it will hide everything else and show you only that set of data. In the filter area now, you can also filter the dates. I'm pressing Control and semicolon to enter automatically for me today's date. This is a very great tool to use when you are entering, let's say, a list of expenses that are occurring on that date. I can hit the drop down arrow and then choose to filter everything that's occurring via a particular year. It automatically groups it for me. I can ask it to find anything for yesterday, today, anything that's going to happen tomorrow without me having to think about what date am I on, what's the actual date, the month, and so forth. I hope this has helped you with filtering. If you require any further assistance, feel free to visit our website at www.azsolutions.com.au. You could also choose to give us a call or email at info@azsolutions.com.au. Thank you for listening. Hope it was helpful.